After our constructor, the new method will be called private function set connection. Inside of this method, we're going to start with switch. The parameter will be this underscore schema. Inside of this, we go for the case MySQL, which is what we're going to be using, and we go for this underscore connection string equals, and go MySQL colon DB name equals, and in the brackets this underscore database. Then we go for the colon host equals, again within the brackets, this underscore host name, and a semicolon at the end. Then break, then case for SQLite. We're not going to be using this, but let's create these interfaces just in case. This underscore connection string again equals SQLite, and we go for the curly brackets, this underscore database, and then break. Then we go for the case PostgreSQL, so PGSQL, that's what it is. And then this underscore connection string is pretty much the same as MySQL, so I'm just going to copy this here. The only thing we're changing is actually, rather than MySQL, before the colon is PGSQL. And then also break after all this. Then if we scroll down, and after the switch, we go for this set driver option, and we're gonna go for PDO MySQL attribute in command will be, which is initial command basically that we want to run, is set names to UTF-8. We want to make sure that whatever statement we execute is always using UTF character encoding. Then we go for this set driver option, and we go for PDO attribute error mode. We want to make sure that it's throwing exceptions, so PDO error mode exception, and then we check if this underscore persistent. Then what we also want to do is this set driver option, we're going to set PDO attribute persistent set to true, and that's our set connection method done. We obviously have another method which we need to create, which is set driver options here, option singular. We're going to be dealing with this a little bit later on, but let's move to the next video.